Do you like world-class surf performance and wave adjustability for everyone in your crew? How about tons of comfort and storage? And it's all in a fun-packed, agile 21-foot package. Stick around for a few minutes so I can tell you why you're going to want one of these on your dock. Let's check out the 2025 MasterCraft NXT21. As with any MasterCraft boat, you know you're getting the best waves and wakes, comfort, reliability, and cutting-edge technology. With a compact 21-foot length, the NXT21 is easy to store, tow, and maneuver, but thanks to its hybrid bow design, it still has surprisingly ample storage and seating capacity. Plus, with an intuitive touchscreen, it's quick and effortless to get you and your crew out on the water to start having fun. Now, let's dive deeper into the details. Starting here at the transom, the NXT21 features SurfStar, boasting a best-in-class 21-foot surf experience with thousands of wave variations, from mellow and kid-friendly to steep and powerful. Simply select a rapid surf preset and the NXT21 automatically creates the perfect wave to accommodate any skill level. For those who like to fine-tune your wave, utilize the custom surf interface for full control of speed, ballast, and wake-shaping device position. The software on the NXT21 also offers tow and drive modes to ensure that no matter what you select as your behind-the-boat activity, the experience will be ideal. New for 2025, all NXT models come standard with NXT Faster Fill. Faster Fill comes with an extra ballast pump, resulting in fill times under 9 minutes. This means you're up and riding faster than ever. Also new for 2025, the NXT21 now comes standard with underwater exhaust, reducing engine noise and fumes so you can better enjoy good conversations and great music. And thanks to the available flip-down swim step, riders, swimmers, dogs, and kids can easily get in the boat. Before we head into the cockpit, let's talk about how this thing is powered. Here at MasterCraft, we partner exclusively with Ilmor Marine for all our engines. Ilmor is known for hand-building race car engines and is renowned for performance in the racing industry. For 2025, all NXTs come with Ilmor's all-new 5.3-liter GDI high-output engine, which utilizes the latest in automotive technology to deliver 380 horsepower, 407 pound-feet of torque, a 4-star emissions rating, improved efficiency, and approximately 15% less fuel consumption than our legacy 6-liter engine. All 2025 NXTs also come with a new fresh air intake, which means more power, better efficiency, and improved performance even on the hottest summer days. This technology, performance, and reliability is so good that we offer a warranty on our engines that's completely unrivaled, 7 years or 1,000 hours. As you step into the cockpit, you'll notice the NXT21 offers a thoughtful interior layout with seating for up to 14 people. Featuring ergonomic seating and accessible hinge storage throughout, the NXT21 can also be outfitted with an optional convertible flip seat, allowing passengers to enjoy conversation in the boat or watch the action behind it. Choose dark, rich colors that complement your custom design, knowing your interior will stay up to 30% cooler than standard marine vinyl, thanks to available Cool Feel upholstery. Speaking of colors, 2025 brings some exciting new upholstery and gel coat options to the MasterCraft fleet, so your boat's design can stand out from the rest. The NXT21 comes standard with 4 phone holders in the cockpit area, all of which can be upgraded to wireless chargers. The NXT21 also comes standard with the Klipsch Advanced Audio Package, featuring 4 interior speakers and a 10-inch subwoofer for an immersive audio experience. If you're looking to further elevate your behind-the-boat audio experience, the NXT21 can be outfitted with up to 4 tower speakers. Moving on to the tower, the NXT21 comes standard with our billet aluminum, extremely functional silver Z6 tower. And now for 2025, you can upgrade any model with an all-black Z6 tower to further complement your boat's colorway. The Z6 tower comes standard with easy-to-use clamping board racks that spin into the cockpit for easy access. Combined with our convenient Bimini storage, you have an industry-leading board storage for up to 10 boards. The helm area of the NXT21 underwent a complete redesign in 2024 and now comes standard with a 7-inch touchscreen and an updated interface. Here you'll control SurfStar. Simply select the size of the wave you'd like and the software handles the rest. A new addition for 2025 is the integrated volume knob, nestled conveniently within the armrest. Now you can effortlessly adjust the volume, mute or unmute the music, and skip songs, all without taking your eyes off the water. Below the dash, the NXT21 is equipped with a standard wireless phone charger to keep your phone charged up all day long. The NXT21 was redesigned with a hybrid bow design in 2023 to further optimize storage, seating, and ballast capacity. An open walkway leads into the bow where you can also opt for a filler cushion if you prefer playpen seating. There's plenty of underseat storage in the bow, and we have dedicated anchor storage on centerline. Each of our models is thoughtfully designed by our team of naval architects, dedicated to ensuring a ride that not only meets but exceeds industry standards for the smoothest and driest ride on the water. Using the best materials in the build process ensures that we create an incredible and comfortable on-water experience, even in rougher water. With the NXT21, you have the option of a custom trailer to match your boat. Choose your own colors, wheels, and graphics, and even opt for electronic brakes or a tire pressure monitoring system for a simple yet sophisticated towing experience. And of course, our world-renowned quality and reliability doesn't end at the factory. Our award-winning dealer network is spread across the world to ensure you get the best customer service. Thanks to standard onboard telematics, our dealers can remotely monitor your boat's vitals to anticipate your service needs. Telematics can also allow you to check on your boat's health and status via the MasterCraft Connect app, and you can even switch off your battery from your phone. Lastly, each NXT21 comes standard with MasterCare, a comprehensive 5-year, 500-hour warranty with minimal exclusions, so you can rest assured knowing we're committed to having your back. Thanks for joining me today to explore the NXT21. If you're interested in experiencing the MasterCraft difference firsthand, please contact your local MasterCraft dealer or head over to mastercraft.com.